Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome or welcome back to this space where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Yeah, we want everybody who either speak the Jamaican language or just know the Jamaican language or just love the Jamaican language for hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language at least one time in a them life. So if you can help we, just click the like button, leave a comment, let us know what you think about today's reading. And of course, share it with everybody where you know, all of your friend them and your family them. And if you haven't done so yet, just click the subscribe button now. And don't forget the notification bell, because when you click that bell, then you will get notified every time there is a new video on this channel. 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 3 from verse 20 to verse 30. Now, Jesus go back to the house which parts him did a stay, and one crowd of people they get up there. So him and him follower them couldn't get to eat. When him family hear this, then go for him to go take charge of him, because them say him a losing head. The law teacher them when it come down from Jerusalem say him a Beelzebul the demon ruler in him. A Beelzebul give him power to run out demon. So Jesus call the people them and tell them one little story to teach them sitting. Him ask them say, how Satan fi run out himself? If the people of one kingdom hate them one another and a fight against them one another, that kingdom there can't last long. If the people in our family hate them one another and a fight against them one another, that family there can't last long. And if Satan hate himself and a fight himself, him now would lose him power. In kingdom now would mash up and not done him would have done for. And nobody can broke in a one strong man house and thief out in sitting them. Them would have to time up first. When they time up, at that time they can take everything. Me are telling you the truth. People will get pardon for all kind of sin. Even for all of the terrible sin them when they say against God. But nobody will say terrible sin against the Holy Spirit can't get pardon for that. Because them would have sin one sin when nobody can get pardon for. None at all. Jesus said that because them did say he have one demon in him. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.